What's going on YouTube? Haven't made a video in a little bit. This is not a shooting video. This is not a pipe tobacco video, depending on which channel I put this on. This is me bush hogging. I've got, excuse me, I've got a lot of land that we're bush hogging today. It is 95 in Louisiana, feels like 107, and it's hot. So when I get done with this, I will I'll splice in a video of it being done. So got the Mahindra putting in work today. Well, that's about, this is probably 5 acres right here, plus the road getting back here is probably another two or three, maybe. Probably not quite that long because you're only cutting on the sides of the road instead of the road. I got dirt and sand in my. So all these cowbirds out here, they're eating like crickets and grasshoppers and whatever else. But then you got these, I really don't know what they are. They're kind of gray. They look like sparrows maybe, but they're pretty good size and about the size of a hawk. And they're swooping down and getting field mice probably about this big, or one of them tried to get a rabbit, but the rabbit was just too much for him. But it tried, it couldn't get it off the ground. It's probably a 5-pound rabbit maybe. As you can see, I gotta fix the road sometime this summer, but pretty good run.